mistakenly lost an important file because Microsoft Defender quarantined it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to locate, restore, and protect a quarantined file in Windows 11 safely and using only built-in tools. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the CNATT channel. When Windows Defender detects something suspicious, such as a virus, a potentially unwanted program, or even a false positive, it doesn't immediately delete the file. Instead, it moves the file into quarantine, which is a secure, isolated area. By default, quarantined files are kept for 30 days. To restore a quarantined file, follow these steps. First, open the Windows Security app. Click the Start button or press the Windows logo key on your keyboard. Type Windows Security, then select it from the search results. You can also open it quickly by clicking the Windows Security icon on the taskbar. Once Windows Security opens, select Protection History from the left-hand menu or the right-hand tiles. This is where Defender shows all blocked, removed, and quarantined items. If the list contains many entries, use the filter drop-down at the top and select quarantined items. If the list remains empty, Defender does not currently have any quarantined files to restore. The list only shows the thread title along with the date and time of detection. To find the item you're looking for, click the entry and check the affected items section for the file name and location. After locating the item you want to restore, click Actions, then click Restore. Confirm Yes if prompted. That's it, the file will be returned to its original location. Once the file is restored, verify its location and only open it if you're certain it is safe. If the file does not appear after restoring it, a few things may be happening. Windows Defender may still classify the file as dangerous and remove it again. In some cases, the file may require an exclusion, or instead of restore, the file may require allow on device if that option was available at the time of detection. Optional advanced step: add an exclusion. Only use this step if Defender keeps removing the file and you're absolutely sure the file is safe. Go to Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, Add or remove exclusions. Here you can add a file or a folder. Once added, Defender will stop scanning that item. I've already made a dedicated video explaining exclusions in detail, so if you want to learn how to use them safely, make sure to watch that video next. And that's how you restore quarantined file in Windows Defender on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you recover an important file, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.